Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to explain how and why video testimonials are going to make you rich. I mean, look guys, let's just face this. Video testimonials are one of the most effective forms of marketing. Take a look at this quote and story prompt. This is actually really educational. 79% of people prefer video testimonials to learn about a company or a product. And because of this, testimonials are frequently cited as one of the most effective forms of advertising by marketers. Now, I first want to start out with a simple question. Are you using video testimonials for your business right now? This is a really important question to ask. Let's start with some really important statistics here. Take a look at this. 2 out of 3 people are more likely to buy something after seeing a video testimonial from a previous customer. That's 66+%. Think about that for a second. The vast majority of customers want to see a video specifically in the form of a testimonial before they make the decision to buy. And take a look at this statistic. 77% of those who have seen a testimonial video about a product or service say that it has motivated them to make a purchase. This, my friends, is called a golden touch point. If you can incorporate video testimonials into your business, you're going to see a massive influx of customers. And the reason why video testimonials are such an important part of the sales process is because they show social proof. It doesn't matter what we say about what we're selling. Of course, we're going to say anything and everything that we need to say to make the sale. Some people will even stretch the truth. But even if you are being 100% honest, it's very difficult for someone to receive the information that you're saying because we require that third-party validation. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to capture video testimonials and then how to integrate them into your entire sales and marketing plan. First, I want to show you an example of a video testimonial showcase page that is a really good example of how you can capture a bunch of testimonials, place them on a single page, and then refer your prospects or your clients to that particular page so that guess what? They can find the person that they connect with that looks like them or sounds like them or is going through the same experience as they are. Take a look at this for a second. This is actually a dubbed showcase page of a bunch of testimonials for Paige Batcher. Her company is called Kismet Ideas. In this example, what she's done is she's taken a collection of all of her testimonials and she's placed them onto a simple page. So just think about it for a second. If you send someone this link and they get to watch all of these videos of these clients, people that have paid her money to work with her for the service that she offers, it's going to be a massive conversion vehicle. So again, I'll ask you this. Are you incorporating video testimonials into your business? If not, it's okay. Let's learn how. So what I'm now going to do is show you 5 different ways to capture video testimonials. I'm going to start with the easiest one, and then I'm going to go to the most complicated one. Now, there's a couple of levers that we have here that are going to help you decide which method you want to use. One question to consider is, do you have a budget for this? The second question is, what is the time constraint on this? Is this something that you need immediately, or is this something that you can wait to receive? Another question is, how much follow-up do you want to actually do to get that video testimonial? A lot of times people say, yes, I'd love to give you a video testimonial, but it's really hard to actually get them to follow through. People get busy and they get nervous being on video, so sometimes they just sort of let it go. Another factor is, what is the quality of the video that you have for this testimonial? Do you want it to look highly produced in a nice produced set with proper lights and a proper microphone? Or do you want it to come off as authentic, like someone is just quickly grabbing their phone or their webcam or just jumping into a Zoom and recording a video testimonial? That choice is a choice that you have to make. One thing that I will say though, before we get started, is that authenticity in your video testimonials is most probably going to do better than production value. I repeat, the authenticity of this video, meaning how quickly did this person record this video? Were they speaking from their heart as opposed to a script? Does it look like something that they quickly did authentically because they wanted to do it, or does it look like they've been paid to do this? You'll notice in a lot of TV ads and YouTube ads, the testimonial parts of the videos are actually just simple captured videos from a Zoom conference or a selfie shot, or just something that's quick to capture. And I think when we watch those videos, it just comes off as a lot more authentic. So the first method is actually using the video reply function on the Dub platform. The way that this works basically is you record a simple video with your ask. Hi, Caleb. Thank you so much for working with me. It means the world to me. I'm so glad we were able to get over those hurdles throughout the process of working together. Below this video, you're going to see a reply video button. It would mean the world to me if you could click that button and just leave me a simple video testimonial. These types of testimonials are my lifeblood, and they help me to go and continue my business and to give other people the same level of service that I gave you. Thank you so much for working with me, and I look forward to receiving your video testimonial. Thank you. Okay, great. You've recorded your video. The thing about this testimonial video is that you can use your webcam, you can use the Dub mobile app, you can use the Dub desktop app, you can even use the Dub website. Just click on the webcam recorder button. But the most important thing that you want to do now is to add the video reply feature. And here's what that looks like. So simply go to the details page, go to your calls to action, and then at this point, all you have to do is select the video reply CTA. Here's what that looks like. And then boom, there it is. Now this page gets automatically saved. And now you'll notice on the public page, I've got the video that I just recorded and I've got this glorious reply with video button. If someone clicks on this, it's going to open their webcam recorder. And this is where they're going to record their video testimonial for you. So the great thing about this is that they don't have to text you something or email you something. It just happens automatically. All they have to do is click that beautiful red record button. So I'd encourage you to ask people to record video testimonials like this because it's really efficient. A pro tip here, if you are using Dub, is to actually save a preset for this. So anytime you want to configure a page with a video reply CTA, all you have to simply do is select that preset. And now, anytime I create a video in the future, all I have to do is click the preset button and then select this video reply option, which will automatically configure it. Okay, so the next method to capture your video testimonial is to use a conference software. You can use Google Meet, you can use Zoom, you can use Microsoft Teams. Whatever you decide to use, just let people know that you want to meet them and interview them for a video testimonial capture or a questionnaire or an interview session. Now, the great thing about meeting with someone live is you can ask them specific questions, things that they might not think about if they're going to self-record a video. If they say, well, I had a great experience, you can say, why did you have a great experience? And you can start to get more granular with your questions. So the next method is to just simply ask someone to self-record a video testimonial and then text it to you or email it to you on your phone. Everyone has a camera in their pocket on their phone. Why not just ask them to do it like that? A couple of tips that I always might suggest is to make sure that they're in a quiet environment so that there's not a lot of background noise, and to make sure that there's a front light source. This can be a window or a light. Make sure that it's not a dim room or a backlit situation because it's not going to look very good. The next method that I'm going to recommend to capture a video testimonial is to physically go and meet with the person. You can go to their house, you can go to their office. The one thing I do recommend is to have the right equipment, a good tripod that can hold your camera or your phone, one or more LED lights, and then possibly a microphone. It could be a wired mic or a wireless mic, or even a podcast type microphone like this with a special adapter so that you can plug it into your device. Whatever you decide to do, I would always recommend to practice your recording situation. My personal favorite microphone to use actually with my phone is this one made by Hollyland. And you'll notice they come in black and white. There's this distinct yellow accent around the device. But what's really great about this is that you have one piece right here which can insert into your phone, and then you have another clip-on microphone that you can simply click onto yourself, and then another person if you get the 2 mic option. They do sell these with 1 microphone, but I always recommend getting them with 2 so that you can interview someone and get both people's voices. The other reason why I like these a lot is because they don't use Bluetooth. So you simply plug in this receiver and then it automatically connects. You don't have to fiddle around looking for the Bluetooth and then deal with any type of recording latency issues. It's direct to the phone and it's totally reliable. If you want to grab a pair of these, we actually have them on our Amazon product page, which is available at dub.com/gear. And the next method, which I'm actually not going to recommend for most people because it could start to get really expensive, which is to hire a third-party company to capture the testimonial for you. This is basically a small crew. It could be one person or multiple people that will physically go to an office and record a video testimonial. There's actually companies out there that also have studios that people can go to and have a perfect recording environment with microphones and lights and sound isolation and all sorts of stuff. All in all, though, I'm not a huge fan of those types of videos because they take a lot of money, a lot of time, and they don't necessarily look as authentic as possible. As a consumer, my favorite testimonials to watch are the ones where someone quickly grabbed their phone and started recording something. And the reason why this is the case is because I know, or at least it comes off, that it's much more authentic, that they are not a paid spokesperson. Plus, imagine what you could do if you started capturing video testimonials at scale. Imagine if you captured a testimonial video every week and you started to publish those on your YouTube channels and your social channels and embedding them on your website. Now, all of a sudden, these videos function like a sales team. They are out there delighting your prospects and educating them how you can offer the same amount of customer service and value to them as you have your previous customers. Whatever you decide to do for your video testimonials, I encourage you to get started today and do not let perfection and production quality get in your way. Remember, this is all about being authentic and capturing real human stories to help you get more clients. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more content like this. And leave a comment below of the next video that you want me to create. See you guys soon. Thanks.